This is a look at the Ninja Professional Plus blender, and spoiler alert, I love to make smoothies with it. You can do all kinds of stuff with this blender. And what I love about it, a couple of things, it's a 1400 watt motor, so that's really powerful. It's enough to crush ice, to blend up drinks, and it has a really large carafe. It's plastic, it is BPA free, it's machine washable, so it's super easy to clean. But again, the best thing is it's 72 ounces. You can make smoothies or milkshakes for the whole family with this blender. It's a really delicious fruit berry smoothie there is my favorite thing. But you can do a bunch of other stuff with this too. I like that the lid kind of clamps on really tightly, so you don't have to worry about it splashing all over the place. And you've got this nice pouring spout on the side of the carafe on there. But you can also blend up soups, you can blend up other kinds of like just crushed ice, and it's got this big sort of set of blades that go all the way up the length of the carafe there, so that makes it really easy to blend, and it has these automatic settings too, so you just press one button. Like in this case, I just press the smoothie button, and it runs through this whole set of functions where it kind of accelerates the motor and slows it down and pulses it and everything to kind of keep the stuff moving around inside there, so you don't have to reach in with a spoon and smush it down or anything. My only complaint I would say is that the blade does come out to clean. It doesn't stay in the carafe, and I find it's a little bit pokey to have it there in the dishwasher. Another cool thing, you can do ice cream in this, which is an awesome function here. So really overall, an excellent blender here from Ninja.